Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday for the US indexes, and of course we're gonna see what's going on in the US market today. So we start to see a little bit of red here today in the live stream. We mentioned, of course, we're still looking for higher, and that because of course we are looking here at a potential 1-2, another 1-2, finished here of course as a 1-2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Meaning, if we are currently looking for a wave 4 over there, we're gonna see exactly what's gonna happen as an impulse. So currently, we hit the perfect target for a wave 4, and we are inside the 0.3023 and 0.38. And of course, this looks a little bit aggressive, of course, and it looks like a little bit impulsive downwards. So we gotta be careful with it. It might be, of course, kind of like might reach an invalidation. Yeah, so we gotta be careful with it. In case we are, of course, bullish here, invalidation of the bullish is taking exactly this price. We gotta be careful. Don't forget, of course, there is something regarding the shutdown for the US government tomorrow. So it might be, of course, one of the main reasons that we might start to see some red. Yeah, so the markets start to flip. Be careful, guys. And that's why I'm doing this very urgently right now. So we have to take this into consideration. The target, of course, for this invalidation is 24K500. And well, preferably if the 0.38 is broken, well, I would say be careful. Yeah, be very careful with it, because it might turn into an ABC, of course. Yeah, and then we see some lower prices, and then, of course, maybe later on rebound. But currently, we gotta be careful so much with this, because I don't see why. I mean, I see it why, because of course the psychological effect of the shutdown. But yeah, we have to be careful with it. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, let me mark this gray here. A, B, C, and a C. I want to check something regarding this. Yes, okay. Yes, it's a leading diagonal. All right, yeah, so it can be, I would say even, yeah, the invalidation is lower, actually. We cannot take exactly this high. We're gonna take this one, which is the wave 1. This is an A, B, and a C expanding flat. Okay, so 24K438, not so much, but yeah, still. So basically, if this is a 1-2, so we have another 1-2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so we gotta be careful from the invalidation. Now, it might, of course, just be a little bit in the beginning very aggressive due to the psychology. But if it's gonna turn into zigzag, 0.38, and then moving toward the upside, that would be totally fine, guys. Okay. For the US 500, we are looking at a little bit different scenarios here. Well, for the US 500, we have kind of like an impulse here. 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5. So we have kind of like triple 1, 2 in the SPX. And if we take here a wave 5, potentially might still be unfolding. Another 1, 2, and we have 3, 4, and a 5. And we have also another 1, 2, as of course leading diagonal over there. In this case, well, your invalidation can be this high. Can be this high. So preferably to not take it. Okay, invalidation of bullish, it can be this one. And that because, of course, you have a clear impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So those are the fib levels for a wave 4 here. And don't forget, of course, the invalidation is very, very close, by the way, to the price action. So we gotta be very careful. $6,650. But basically, the pattern that we show here is kind of already like 1, 2, 1, 2, unless, of course, we see the price going back inside this zone. Yeah, we want to see the price rebounding inside this zone. If the price rebound, that is invalidation of any kind, of course, double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. If we continue lower, we have to be careful with it, of course. Yep, so these are the updates for Nasdaq and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.